In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite subscription efficiently and stress-free. Now, whether you're seeking to cut down on expenses or maybe you found another tool that suits your needs better, I'll guide you through each step of the process with ease. First, let's start by opening Chrome. Head over to your browser and in the address bar, type hootsuite.com. Hootsuite is a versatile web platform, and by accessing its website, you can manage all aspects of your account. Once on the site, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email and password. This information lets you access your unique dashboard and account settings. Now that you've logged in, you'll notice your profile icon or possibly your name displayed prominently in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it brings down a drop-down menu. From there, you're going to want to select either Manage Account or Account Settings based on what shows up. Both options are designed to provide the same functionality, allowing you to configure various aspects of your account. Next, we're navigating to the critical part, the Billing or Subscription section. This is where all the details of your current plan reside and where the option to end your subscription lies. Click on either Billing or Subscription once you're in that area. This part of account management is structured to be straightforward, but take a moment to go through the information to ensure you are familiar with your current terms. Once you've accessed your subscription details, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Downgrade Plan. It's usually pretty conspicuous so that users can easily locate where to make subscription adjustments. Clicking on Cancel Subscription will guide you through a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to confirm your intent, ensuring you are certain about discontinuing the service. Make sure you follow these prompts carefully. They usually ask questions to understand the reasons for your cancellation and might offer alternatives, such as downgrading your plan instead of canceling entirely. Once you have confirmed the cancellation, the system processes your request and you should receive a confirmation email. This email serves as a record for your records, confirming that your subscription is indeed canceled. It's always a good idea to keep this email, just in case you need to refer back to it in the future. And there you have it. Canceling your Hootsuite subscription is straightforward when you know the steps. By following this guide, you can ensure a smooth process, saving time and effort. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below for more help.